Hi guys, it's Gemma McAllister with followgemma.com or asirvia.info/DFW mobile marketing. I just wanted to show you a quick video today on how to scrub the link off of your Plus ad that could possibly show your old ad that's not updating. Now, I don't know exactly why, but sometimes it will still show an old picture that you're trying to update on your new ad. So there is a way to actually scrub the link and get that old picture off of it to get the new picture on. So I'm going to just walk you through those steps really fast. So what you're going to do, I'm going to do a quick screen share, and bear with me real fast. And okay, you're going to go into your Go services after you log in. Okay, and then you're going to go to your Goes. And then you're going to hit the one that has your Plus ad on it. Okay, you're going to see the preview. You're going to know that's the Plus ad because your basic ones will not have the Plus, or I'm sorry, the preview. The Plus ads are the only ones that have this preview button. So you're going to click preview, and then you'll see your preview of what your Plus ad looks like on someone's phone when they pull it up. So the link, you're going to grab it up here, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to head over to this website called developers.facebook.com. Okay, and then you're going to paste it into here, and you're going to hit debug. Now you're going to hit debug at least twice, and this was the last one that I did to do a sample video for someone, so that's why it's showing there. But I want to see if it will show the new one. So see, this one is showing on here. So I'm going to scrape it again. Okay, so that one is what is going to show up. So you're going to scrape it down here. So debug and then scrape twice. Okay, so hit the scrape button twice, and then you should go back to your Asirvia website, and then you're going to update, and then when that says update, and you should be good to go. Now I would give this about 5 or 10 minutes, and what you're going to probably want to do is turn your Bluetooth off and then on again, and just give it a little bit of time. The link should work, but every once in a while, like I said, every once in a while this does happen. I'm sure our company is working on something to get it fixed. So our feedback has been heard. So we are making these videos to help you guys make it a lot less work to look for the answers. So hopefully this has helped, and you guys found the answers to what you guys were looking for. Okay, if you guys have any questions, you can reach out to me at followgemma.com, and up in the right hand corner there is need more info. You can fill out the page there and it will send me some information, and I can get yours and contact you, or you can go to followgemma.com, and you can also fill out the information there, and I can you can be put into my autoresponder, and you can get information about the Asirvia Go and all the stuff that we have. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.